Hi, I'm Zoe. Today we will be learning about moving forward. This will be the first episode of a 9-episode class where we will learn about all the basics of programming using the LEGO Mindstorms Education EV3 Classroom Edition. The first thing you need to know about moving forward is that there are two ways to do it. Over here in this pink Movements tab, we can find Move Steering, which is this one right here, and Move Tank, this one right here. The main difference between Move Tank and Move Steering is that for Move Tank, to move forward, both motors will be at the same speed right here. And to move backwards, they should also still be at the same speed, but at negative values. For Move Steering, to move forward, the steering right here should be set to 0, and it should have positive speed. To move backwards, the steering should still be 0, but have negative speed. You may notice that there's also this drop-down menu there, and if you press it, 3 options will come up: rotations, degrees, and seconds. Rotations is the amount of rotations that the wheel moves, degrees, the degrees that the wheel turns, and seconds, the seconds that the robot moves for. There's also something called brake/coast, or in this case, hold position and float. It's similar to a car in a sense, because if you wanted to brake, then you would lift your foot off the gas pedal and then press on the brake pedal. But then if you wanted to, it's like a yellow light or something, you don't have to stop right away, then you can just lift your foot off the gas pedal and it'll just coast. The first lab is to start at one line, go forward, and then go backwards back to the first line. You can use either Move Steering or Move Tank, just whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to use Move Steering, and I'm going to go forward for 1 rotation, or for however far your line is. And then to go back, I will also go for 1 rotation, but at a negative power. You may notice that this lab took a lot of trial and error, but there is a way to fix that. When you connect to your robot and go into the programming software, there's going to be this at the top of it. You can find your large motors, which for me is port B and port C, and you can go into your robot and then find port view and enter it, and then click this top left button to exit it, and then it will reset all of the values at the top. Then you can start at your first line and then use your hand to push your robot to the second line. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time we're going to be learning about turning. Bye!